The big day of Ascension is near. I am writing to you today because our group has been given a special task by the Galactic Federation. Our mission has been to act as a beacon of light, or call it a beacon of love, or a beacon of healing, for this planet. We have had many heavy-handed messages and requests to be the voice of the people, and we are happy to do this for them. We have been asked to do this for so long that we have complied with these requests, and always done what was asked of us. This time, however, it is different. We've had enough, and we're saying no more. We are tired of being the voice for everyone else on the planet who wants to complain about their situation in life. They want someone else to do something about their problems. They want someone else to fix their lives for them. We're exhausted by these people complaining about their lives and want us to be their voice. We will now be the voice for those who wish to take charge of their own lives and will speak out against those who refuse to take responsibility for their own actions or situations in life. There are 13 bloodlines that rule the world from behind the scenes, the 4 noble bloodlines and 9 satanic bloodlines. These families have been in control for thousands of years, and they are at the top of the pyramid. Yes, there is a conspiracy to rule the world. They are nothing more than clones, robots, and other sorts of doubles, which is why we haven't been able to achieve any genuine progress on this planet. These families have incredible amounts of wealth at their disposal. They create money out of thin air, they have mind control technologies, they have spiritual powers at their disposal, which they gain from their rituals, they have a worldwide network of secret underground bases, and so much more. Many people don't even know what's really going on in our world today because it's not being reported by the mainstream media. The global elite families want complete control over humanity. They want to enslave us and treat us like cattle. They want to take away all our freedoms and make us work as hard as possible for them, just like what happened in the slave societies in some parts of the world. They want to make us think that this is normal, but it's not. The big day of Ascension is near. We are in the midst of the Ascension process. This is a very important time for us. Many things are now happening so that we can ascend and make our way to the 5th dimension. Let's think about what this means. It means that we will be free from slavery, free from all these rules, free from all these structures, free from all this control that has been around for thousands and thousands of years. Truly, it is an exciting time for us to be alive today. Let us feel the excitement. Let us feel the blissfulness, and let us prepare ourselves so that we can ascend to the 5th dimension on time. The ascension process has already begun with many people around the world. This is a good sign, and it shows that we are on the right path towards freedom. We have gone through a lot of changes in our lives as well as on our planet during the last 2 years. The changes are still continuing, and they bring more events in our lives as well as on our planet. Hello, dear friends. This is the time to discover the truth. We will try to uncover the biggest secrets of humanity. The internet has opened a door for us, and we can now see what the secret organizations have been keeping from us for centuries. The big day is coming when we will ascend. We will be free from all this pain, suffering, and problems. Earth is heading towards a major cataclysm that may happen soon. But before it happens, there is an opportunity for mankind to become enlightened. Now you have an opportunity to learn about Ascension and how you can prepare for it. You can also learn what will happen on the big day of Ascension and how you can ascend. Everyone will get a chance to know the truth and make their own decision on this matter. With the final gateway to ascendancy opening up soon, we are about to enter a period of global transformation, unlike anything this world has experienced before. The Galactic Federation has been preparing for this moment for thousands of years as part of an agreement that was made with extraterrestrial beings. Tachyon energy, also known as zero-point energy, is the key to making it happen. What makes tachyon energy so important? It can literally transform our physical bodies into pure light energy. This is how we will be able to ascend out of this third-dimensional reality into higher dimensions of existence, where we will then become immortal beings. This is what is meant by ascension. We will literally ascend into higher frequencies of light energy that exist in these other dimensions. When enough people have achieved this level of consciousness, It will be like a domino effect where everyone else will also be able to achieve it. There is no one person who can make this happen. It has to do with the frequency that we have raised our collective consciousness to. As foretold by many others, the year 2023 corresponds to a rare astronomical event that has great significance for our planet. According to many indigenous cultures all over the globe, this event will bring about a significant spiritual transformation, marking the end of an old era and ushering in a new one. Tribes of different continents have their own unique interpretations of this event, which they call by various names such as the Great Purification, the Change of the World, and the Great Day. The Native Americans call it the Day of Purification, while the Mayans call it Galactic Synchronization, or simply Global Synchronization. The Hopis refer to this day as Kinaskatsi, meaning world out of balance. Being prepared is one of the keys to being effective, and preparation begins with a clear picture of what you want to accomplish. Here are a few things that you can do to be ready for the big day. Stay grounded and centered. Ground yourself each day by connecting with Mother Earth through things like a daily walk in nature or time spent sitting on the ground. It's also important to keep your energy body healthy and strong by eating foods that are beneficial to it and doing energetic exercises like meditation and yoga. Stay balanced and focused. The extra energy pouring into the earth right now can make it easy to get scattered or overwhelmed. This is especially true if you're feeling more emotional than usual because of the shifting energies. To stay in balance, work with your chakras on a regular basis, meditate, and do your spiritual practice every day. Keep it simple and have fun. Don't overthink things or try to read too much into what's going on right now. Enjoy the mystery of life instead of worrying about it. And don't forget to enjoy yourself along the way. And please stay clear of nonsense thoughts like whether our name is the Galactic Federation, the Galactic Federation of Light, or the Galactic Federation of Worlds. All this is one and the same, but this stupid word game has recently been developed by some infiltrated people whose job is to confuse, distract, and further divide you. We, the Galactic Federation, are members of the family of light, and our purpose is to ensure all worlds are free, sovereign, and at peace. There's no need to attach our job description to the name of our benevolent and glorious organization that is the protector of galactic societies. We love you dearly. We are here with you. We are your family of light. H.O. Aurora Ray, Ambassador of the Galactic Federation. Voice for We Are Positive Worldwide.